Okay, two etudes made here. Better speak closer to the mic. So number one, 160 is the top speed, and number two, 180. So usual deal that we have, or same deal we have been doing recently. Just do the percentage thing. If you need to work things up in fives, just do like a small portion. But yeah, let's start with 50%. Whoops, let's mute that. Come on. There we go. Phone is muted. I don't even know if you could hear that. Yeah, 50% speed, number one. Here we go. And yeah, it's really just like the two patterns that we did yesterday. So just basically just playing two things a lot. And the chords, bass, and whatnot are they're the main movers for this to keep it interesting. All right, here we go. %, speed. %. All right, number two. All right, so this one, it's a little bit different from what we did yesterday. It starts off with what we were trying to troubleshoot. It's not quite showing up how I want it to here. Why? If I do it like this. All right, that works. So we're just working on the mainly, I guess, the picking pattern. We're trying to make sure we keep the strict alternate picking. Down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And then we're just going to move up in key. So finger pattern changes a little bit, but the picking pattern stays the same. And then we're going to change keys. So basically, we're going to duplicate or replicate the first 3 lines, just shifted up 5 frets. So that's the same pattern as this. Just started up here. And then next, same pattern as this. And then last, this pattern, but played up here. And one thing to take note of is every single time we're about to change positions, we have a whole note, or not a whole note, a half note on the end of the bar. So we see half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, but not here at the end. Here, this is the only time we're going to play the exact same thing 4 times in a row, and then we're going to resolve it to this A note here. Just sounded better just to do it like that, I felt. So that's the only time we're going to go not have a half note at the end of a specific phrase. So just be careful with that. All right, let's start this at 50%, just like the other one. Coffee first. And, all right, here we go. Terrible vibrato. Bent the damn string right off the fretboard. All right, take 2. %. 100%. And there we go. All right. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.